Ahlan wa sahlan, salamu alaikum. So today we're gonna make a delicious sautéed Mazila chicken, and we're gonna need a whole capon cut into 8 pieces. You can leave it with the skin, it's fine. We can do without, it's all good. And then you're gonna need, of course, some garlic ginger paste, nicely minced. Juice of 1 lemon or lime, it's up to you, whatever you like. 1 onion roughly cut or sliced. You're gonna need 2 large tomatoes cut into some rough cubes. It's all good. Of course, some Ilara Mazila, baby. And we're gonna need some garam masala, half a teaspoon is good. And of course, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 3 green chilies minced, or you can just leave them whole, it's all good. And then you're gonna need some salt to taste, and of course, hard-boiled eggs. I just boiled these babies and they are so good. Let's do this. Using hot pan, just go in with the chicken. Remember, we're not adding any oil here, it's just the chicken. It's gonna produce its own oils, and the liquid is just gonna be fantastic. Now, what you wanna do, go in with your garlic ginger paste in the mix. And then you're gonna go in with some juice of 1 lemon or lime, and then now you wanna mix it up. I told you it's gonna produce its own liquid and all these beautiful juices. So you just wanna give it a mix, and now you wanna cook this until you see it turning a little bit golden brown, and we're gonna continue. So mix it up. When I say golden brown, this is what I mean. You just want it to kind of a little bit, like in Swahili we say unoto bichi. So you want it, like, you know, to kind of saute its own. So this is the sauteed aspect of it. And oh my god, look at that pan, it's getting nice and dark and caramelized. Oh my god, I love it. Chicken is cooking. You're gonna go in with some tomatoes in your blender, and then you're gonna go in with the onions, and then you're gonna go in with your, yeah, we're talking about the Ilara Mazila, baby. Let's do this. So you're gonna go in with at least 500 ml, the entire bottle of your buttermilk in the mix, and then give it a good blend. Looks pink like a milkshake. Great! Now what you want to do, you want to add this mixture into the chicken. Let me tell you something about this chicken. This chicken reminds me when I was in college. Like, all we used to have during Ramadan was chicken and garlic and ginger. So what we'd do, we'd marinate the chicken with garlic and ginger, and then we'd throw it in the oven at Utali college, and it was just fantastic. So this smell took me back. So this is basically how we'd eat our chicken. So what we'd do is we'd just add in a bit of some salt here, and then we would have been good. But then now we are all fancy. So we're gonna go in with our Ilara blend. Ooh, in the mixer. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Let's get, as you're bringing into a boil, you wanna go in with your garam masala. Add in your turmeric powder. Woo! Yeah, love the turmeric. You can add in your minced green chili. In the mix, some salt to taste. You'll adjust towards the end if it's not enough. Just give it a good mix. Yeah, just make sure that all these spices and all the flavors are incorporated together. And you want to bring this to a lovely, gorgeous boil until this sauce thickens and coats the chicken. And then now you can go in with your hard-boiled eggs. But for now, let's keep on mixing. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god. Well, that's good. Just let it cook. Let it cook, baby. Let it cook. Let it cook. Ooh la 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 la. Look at that. Don't be afraid to go in with your spatula or your muiko. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So good. Now, at this point, you're gonna go in with your boiled eggs. So just like probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all over. And then now you wanna mix them in, like, hey, let them incorporate. It's like making yeah, give it a good mix. Ooh la la. Yes, get all the eggs in. Let them get all the beautiful flavors, like. You guys, this meal is everything I never knew I always wanted. Goodness! Ramadan! Jamani, softi mwanangu, hapa jaba sasa. Kwenye kuku. Fanya kama kumchovya hivi. Mrarua utamu wa kuku. Yeba, anafoja kwenye yai. Unalivunja. Una remix. Alafu unachukua nan, unakunja hivi. Oh my god. It's awesome. The egg and the chicken and the naan is magical. Goodness!